In this video, I'm going to talk about how to delete Safari history on iOS 26 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, first of all, you just need to go over here on the Safari. And over here, as you can see, over here in the Safari right now, this is how it looks like. At the bottom, you can see there is a 3 dot over here. You have to tap on it first. Now we have two buttons here, that are bookmarks and Alt tab. Go over here, tap on bookmarks. And these are some of the things which I recently searched on my Safari. So if I wanted to completely delete it, all I have to do is just go over here, tap on the 3 dot menu. And there is an option called clear. I have to tap on it. And right now it is asking from what kind of particular date or customization is there. If you need for last hour, you can do it, or if you wanted to change it today, you can change it, or you wanted to change into all history, you can do it, and you can just go for clear history, and that is how we can do it. This is the first step. The first step. And next one is all about, you can just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down all the way down and tap on apps. Now go over here in the search. Go over here, search for Safari, or you can scroll down, but I am using the easiest way. Tap on the Safari. Now from here, if you scroll down at the bottom, if you keep on scrolling down, now over here you can see there is clear history and website data. Tap on it. So that is also giving you the same option. You can customize it whether you want all history or only for today or for last hour. You can do it and just go for clear history. And that is what you have to do. And also apart from this, we have to make one more thing. That is all about, just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way down and you have to tap on the screen time. Now from here you have to scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and what you need to do is just need to turn this off. Now these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.